guys, here we are, second lesson of the Unit 2, linear equations. All linear equations are equations that when graphed, it forms a straight line. Hence the word line in linear. This is not a straight line. That is more of a curved. This was your XY graph. This is a straight line. Linear, non-linear. You might remember the vertical line test. Remember if you had your pencil and if it intersects the graph twice, it is not a linear equation. This is not new. This is from pre-algebra, algebra, geometry. Guys, it's old school for you. All right. We're going to be talking about two different types. The standard form, where it is ax plus by equals c. We might get into that later on into the year, but just showing you that if I had an equation and it was said 3x plus 4y, equals, let's go with 8. Excuse my bad handwriting right now. Alright, what is a, b, and c? Well, what is in the a spot? 3. What's in the b spot? 4. What's in the c spot? 8. So it's not really anything difficult. They might have had it in this format where it would have been like 3x equals negative 4y plus 8. Right now, this is not in standard form because I have to have a and b on the same side. So all I would have done is moved my by over to the other side, and I would have had 3x plus 4y equals 8. Now is that in standard form? Yep. Linear equations. Equations that when graphed form a straight line. Y equals mx plus b. That is what you guys are always familiar with. Y, m representing the slope, rise over 1. B representing the y-intercept. Nothing new. But for this lesson, all we have to do is determine whether every equation is linear or nonlinear. And do you remember the rules from back in, you guys are Algebra 2, so 2 years ago? Well, here we go. This first equation, 2x squared plus 4 equals 19. Is that linear? No. Why? Do you remember it? You can't have squares. No exponents. No cubes. What about the next one? 2xy minus 5y equals 6. No again. Why? 2xy has two variables, so it can't be written in ax plus by equals c. All linear equations have to be able to be written in ax plus by equals c. Another easy way to remember that, if x and y are ever multiplied together, again, that can't be known. Number 3, the third equation, what's the matter? You can't have x and y in the denominator. Variables can't be on the bottom of a fraction. Could you put this in this format? No. Hence, why it is not a linear equation. And lastly, 1/3 y equals negative 1. Is that a linear equation? Well, yeah. If I was to rewrite this in standard form, it would have been 0x plus 1/3 y equals negative 1. Well, in this case, do you ever see 0x? 0 times anything is 0, so we don't even include it. So all we had is 1/3 y equals negative 1. Just a reminder, your three things. Linear equations can't have exponents. Can't have x and y multiplied together. Oof, that takes a while to write. And last but not least, x and y can't be in the denominator, can't be in the bottom of a fraction. Hopefully you can read those chicken scratches that I just put up there. Can't have exponents, can't have x and y multiplied together, and x and y can't be in the bottom of a fraction. So that is all we are doing for this unit, for this lesson I should say. There's lots in 2-2, but That is all we need to be successful. So here it is, page 72, numbers 16 through 24. You need to tell me yes if it's linear, no if it's not linear. If it's not linear, I want to know why. Was x or y squared, was x or y in the bottom of a fraction, or was x or y multiplied together? So I need to know why. Don't give me why, you don't get the points. All right. This is Thursday's assignment, so it's due on Monday in class. If you need help, I'll be here Thursday. Alrighty, adios. Thank you.